Hello, I'm Anthony Lambert from the company Workplace Innovation Software. In this video, I'd like to take a look at the chart that is on the dashboard of our MENDLOG app. Above the chart is a series of buttons that let you change what you display in the chart. I'm currently changing the time period from weekly to monthly to yearly. I'll go back to weekly, and now I want to view inspections rather than faults. And then actions rather than inspections. Now let's look at actions by month and change from actions to services and check what services by week look like. The next thing that I'd like to show you is what happens if you hover your mouse over the bars of the chart. As you can see, there's a popover and it tells you what the exact numbers are. Now let's move to the key beneath the chart. If you hover over closed, it highlights the closed items, and if you hover over open, it highlights the open items. You can go further. Click closed and you'll switch off closed items and only display open items on the chart. And the same if you click open to disable open items. Finally, wouldn't it be great if you could take one of these columns of data and find out what events are behind those numbers? Well, you can. Click the open part of the column, and in this example will be shown the 7 open services from that particular part of the chart. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our website for more videos. Bye for now.